Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix sorry we could not update your profile picture on Instagram in iPhone. How to fix it. So first try using cellular data instead of Wi-Fi. So turn off Wi-Fi. First option. Second option is to update Instagram app. Go to App Store. Search Instagram. And if there are any update available, update it. Third, verify photo permissions. Go to settings. Locate Instagram. Tap on it. From here, tap on photos. From here, tap on all photos. Select all photos. The fourth option is to offload and reinstall. So go to General. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage. Locate and tap on iPhone. Tap on Offload app. And then again go to App Store and reinstall it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.